The Huawei Watch 4 is the newest smartwatch from Huawei, and today I will show you the best tips, tricks and features that you can find on it. The first one is almost my favorite one, and those are the customizable tiles. So you know that you have a main watch face with all of your complications. But on the Huawei Watch 4 you have very useful tiles as well. Normally you only have one app per tile. For example, one is your heart rate, the next one is your weather, and so on. Right here you get tiles that are packed with metrics. You get one with all of your health metrics and one with all of your activity tracking and workouts. And those tiles can even be customized, so you can switch out all of the sport modes and replace them with others, and your activity stats can be swapped out as well. The tile with all of your health metrics can be customized as well, and you can turn it into a stopwatch, alarm, timer tile. So all of your tiles are fully customizable, just like your watch face. Now, since the Huawei Watch 4 has a built-in mic and a speaker, you can not only make calls on the watch, but also you can use the Siri voice assistant. This one works just like Google and Siri, and you can start timers and workouts. You can make calls and ask for the weather. There are many possibilities, and these are just a few examples. The next tip is the customizable down button on the Huawei Watch 4. Unlike with other smartwatches, which only allow you to open one specific app, the Huawei is connected to 3 for quick access. You can put your sport modes in here, your heart glands, and your phone feature, but there are other possibilities as well. Like you can swap them out for all of your health metrics, and I think it's a feature we should see in other smartwatches as well from now on. The next tip is about your workouts. In your workout settings, you can toggle on the auto workout detection, which detects walking, running, elliptical, and rowing. And the other part about your workout is that you can enable the always on display mode for your workouts. That means the screen won't turn black or lock, and you can quickly see all of your running stats during your workouts, and you don't have to push any buttons or touch the display. A feature that you normally get on Garmin watches, and that is the emergency SOS and the incident detection. In your security and privacy settings, click on emergency SOS and toggle on the fall detection. Now, anytime you have a hard fall, your watch will notice it and it will call for help. Next up, we have a quick one, and that is your app menu. Normally you have the grid layout that we know from Apple and Huawei watches, but over in your watch faces and home settings, you can scroll down and click on launcher. Right here you can change your app layout to a list layout if you prefer that design. Of course, you could always switch that back to the grid layout if you want to. So if you run an Android smartphone in combination with this watch right here, you will have the option to quick reply when you receive a message, and those replies can be customized over in the Huawei Health app. You already get some default answers, but if you add a reply, you can use up to 36 letters, which should be more than enough for a quick reply. And there we go, that's the Huawei Watch 4. Now, I have also compared this watch to others like the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 or the TicWatch Pro 5. Just click that video right here to get right to it. And I guess with that one being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.